going to be the quickest tip video I've ever made. MDF edge grain and how to paint it without it looking rubbish. Whenever I see people battling on with MDF edge grain, the mistake they make is that they spend ages sanding it smooth and getting the perfect finish, and then they paint it. My tip for you today, very straightforward. Paint it first and then sand it. So use a half decent acrylic primer undercoat, paint your edge. Forget about the rest of it for now, just shove that on. That's going to seal the edge grain. Let it dry, at least 2 to 3 hours. It needs to be dry enough to sand. Then once it's completely bone dry, sand the edge grain and you'll get a perfect smooth finish. And then after the sanding, just continue as normal, prime the whole thing, let it dry. And then 2 coats of whatever top coat you want. There you go, I hope you found that useful. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. New videos on a Saturday morning and through the week if I pull my finger out. See you next time.